The drill competition drew participants from the 10 formations and the 3 units from Zimbabwe National Army. I am well informed that Masasa Logistics Garrison participated, however, in their special way as observers, and they will mark their maiden full participation in the next year's edition, while Commando Regiment was exempted because of other commitments, rather pressing commitments. Drill equally tests our mental acumen, as there are a lot of calculations associated with the drill movements. Let us be motivated by the fact that drill is a soldier's daily activity. Pursuant to this, I am pleased by the continued participation of our women's services in these competitions. The participation of members of the Zimbabwe Women's Services is a clear testimony of the importance being placed on the professional development of lady soldiers within the military setup. This is in line with the Second Republic's policy of promoting gender equality as we pursue our attainment of Vision 2030. Like all other sectors, training is not being spared from the ripple effects of the sanctions that continue to affect Zimbabwe in general and the Zimbabwe National Army also in particular. To that end, this year's edition of the Inter Formation and the Unit Drill Competition was held against a backdrop of a variety of logistical and administrative challenges. Resources are never adequate. Allow me to repeat, resources are never adequate, but you managed to make do with what was available by exercising a lot of initiative and resourcefulness. Regardless of the challenges that you encountered, the drill competition has been a success.